Hi friends, welcome to my technological world and this is Mohammad Abbas Malik and today we unbox the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. You can see this. So in the first which we see a 6.5 Huawei Ultra full view display, and the second is auto pop-up selfie camera, and the third is triple AI camera, 4 gigabytes of RAM plus 128 gigabytes of memory, and in the last 4000 mAh typical battery. So if you see in this side, in the first of Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, ROM 128 gigabytes, RAM 4 gigabytes, and the color is sky blue, model STK-L21 and dual SIM. So let's see what inside the box. So open the box, let's see. Okay, this is Huawei Y9 smartphone. Let's see what inside this box. I think this is a warranty card. Yeah, okay. Yes, this is a warranty card. And the number second is quick start guide. You can see this on the camera. You can see this on this video. And this is English and Arabic language, I think so. Yes. And this is SIM card tray removing pin. This is a pouch of the back side, a silicone pouch, and the quality is wonderful. This is not backed actually. So what the next? Let's see. If you see, this is I think so USB type C port. Yes, a wonderful good quality. So what the next? This is a hand free. It's so good. So what inside? Oh yes, this is a Huawei heavy charger. You can see this. It's not bad actually. I think so it is a good quality. So wow. So guys, let's see Huawei Y9 Prime with triple AI camera, a dashing look, good. So guys, if you have the right side, so if you see of the top of the side, this is the SIM card tray, and the second is the pop-up selfie camera. Now which we see in the bottom side, this is a speaker grill. You can see this USB type C port, and here is a mic, and this is the headphone 3.5 mm headphone jack. So we just open this smartphone. Huawei powered by Android. Amazing graphics. Wow. This is the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. The navigation is very wonderful. So let's see other features of the smartphone. The first of the system, about phone. You can see this device name Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, model number STK-L21, and MUI 9.0.1, Android version 9, RAM 4 gigabytes, CPU Hisilicon Kirin 710F, internal storage 128 gigabytes, and resolution 2340 multiply 1080. So guys, if you see the camera result, comparison of camera, Huawei Y9 Prime. Open the cam, you can see this. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and the camera result is wonderful. Each and every word is very clearly. You can see this. So now if you see the pop-up selfie camera, you can see now wonderful sound and easily smooth. This is the budget smartphone. I think is the best smartphone. So you can see this, all of features. So guys, if you like this video, please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.